Hello, welcome to this executive report on the ulcerative colitis therapeutics and diagnostics market from 2025 to 2030. The global ulcerative colitis therapeutics market is undergoing robust expansion driven by a rising disease burden, significant advancement in biologic and small molecule therapies, and increasing access to early diagnostic tools. In 2024, the global market was valued at approximately $8.2 billion. We forecast the market to reach around $12.5 billion by 2030, with a compound annual growth rate of roughly 4.8% over the next 5 years. The diagnostics market is considerably smaller, but is poised for strong growth due to increasing emphasis on early, accurate, and non-invasive diagnostic techniques. Key market drivers include technological advancements, global disease burden, patient-centric market demand factors, regulatory acceleration, pipeline advancements, and reimbursement coverage. Technological advancements, such as biologics, small molecule drugs, and precision diagnostics are transforming the UC treatment landscape, shifting from traditional general therapies to more targeted and personalized solutions. Key to this evolution are breakthroughs like IL-3P19 inhibitors and integrin blockers, which demonstrate high efficacy and durable long-term remission in UC patients with moderate to severe disease. Additionally, oral therapies such as JAK inhibitors and S1P receptor modulators are enhancing patient compliance and shared decision-making by reducing the need for injections or infusions. Furthermore, precision diagnostics, such as non-invasive biomarker assays and genetic profiling, are enabling earlier and more accurate UC detection and informing personalized therapeutic strategies. The global disease burden of UC is on the rise, particularly in industrialized and urbanizing regions. Late-stage UC cases have been increasing steadily, and the economic cost of managing complications is substantial, driving the need for effective therapies and early intervention tools. Moreover, there's a growing market demand for patient-centric therapies that offer improved convenience, safety, and long-term remission potential, especially for moderate to severe UC cases. Regulatory agencies like the FDA and EMA are supporting UC innovation through faster approval pathways and orphan drug designations for novel mechanisms of action. Notable examples include the FDA's approval of tafasitamab as the first oral JAK inhibitor for UC and the EMA's conditional approval of guselkumab for UC. These developments are not only accelerating the availability of new therapies, but also creating a conducive environment for further research and investment in UC therapeutics. AbbVie, Takeda, Pfizer, Johnson & Johnson, and Eli Lilly are leading the market with their innovative products. AbbVie's Rinvoq AJAK1 selective inhibitor is revolutionizing UC treatment with its oral once-daily dosing. Takeda's Entyvio, an integrin alpha for beta-7 monoclonal antibody, is another key player offering both for and SC administration options. Pfizer's Velsipity is a groundbreaking S1P receptor modulator with once-daily oral dosing. Johnson & Johnson's 𝗓𝗡, an IL-3 monoclonal antibody, shows promise with its subcutaneous injection formulation. And Eli Lilly 𝗬𝗏 is a first-in-class IL-3P19 monoclonal antibody with an intravenous induction and a subcutaneous maintenance dosing strategy. Each of these therapies brings a unique approach to managing UC, contributing to the overall advancement of treatment options. Over the next 5 years, we project that AbbVie's Rinvoq, Takeda's Entyvio, Pfizer's Velsipity, Johnson & Johnson's 𝗓𝗡, and Eli Lilly 𝗬𝗏 will collectively generate an estimated total revenue of approximately $72 billion. AbbVie's Rinvoq is expected to double its UC-specific revenues by 2030, driven by increased uptake as an oral JAK inhibitor, reaching an estimated asset net present value, or NPV, of approximately $18 billion. Takeda's Entyvio remains the global market leader in UC and is projected to grow steadily, particularly due to its SC formulation, with an estimated asset NPV of $35 billion by 2030. Pfizer's Velsipity recently launched, is forecasted to become a blockbuster by 2028 due to favorable oral administration and clean safety profile. Estimated asset value is $12 billion. Johnson & Johnson's Tremfya, though newer in UC, is expected to leverage success from psoriasis and Crohn's markets to build a UC foothold, reaching an estimated asset and PV of $10 billion. Eli Lilly's Omvo with dual induction and maintenance dosing strategies is expected to grow to $1.2 billion in annual sales by 2030 with an NPV of $8 billion. In conclusion, the ulcerative colitis market is in a dynamic phase of transformation. Top pharmaceutical companies are redefining the standard of care through targeted, personalized, and convenient therapies. Over the next 5 years, strategic leadership in biologics, patient-friendly dosing, and diagnostic integration will define market winners. Stakeholders who successfully align innovation with regulatory and market pathways will unlock significant economic value and patient impact. Thank you for watching. If you found this video informative, please like and subscribe for more valuable content. Stay healthy.